Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Revl Heights, and I'm looking at their fitness center. And wow, there's a lot here, my goodness. Okay, really big area, and it's actually two areas. So over here, this is the more of the cardio area. You can see it, it's kind of a studio area. There's spin bikes, there's kettlebells, there's all sorts of stuff here. There's a TV, so you can go in here and do kind of more of a studio experience. Well, then across over here, you've got another part of the gym. There's the pool, we're gonna see that in just a minute. But you've got the gym over here, and this is part two of the gym. And this is gonna have, you're gonna see there's treadmills here, there is all sorts of other equipment over here, there's dumbbells, there's weight equipment. So there's a lot going on here. You can see it's a real well-equipped gym. There's dumbbells, barbells, and all sorts of stuff. There's TVs. So there's really a lot going on here at the Revl Heights. There's two rooms for gyms. So that's an A gym. I really like all the space that's here. You can see it's being well used, and it's right next to the pool. So this is what it looks like here at the gym. Hey, we're now about to go check out the pool. Follow along with me.